What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Everything Else, and I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. So before we do get into this video, if you are new to this channel, what it is, hey, what's up, got your in a gut, what it is, what's poppin' with you? Happy to have you here. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey boy, hey girl, I missed you. Okay, so today's video is going to be me just showing you guys how I make my lip glosses. Clearly I ain't no professional, I ain't in no industry plant, I ain't in no manufacturing building, but my G, this is how I make my lip gloss. Okay, not your lip gloss, not her lip gloss, or not his lip gloss, but mine. Okay, so I'm just showing you how I make my lip gloss. Okay, so before we do get into this video, please make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. You know, all of that, hey, all of that, hey, all of that, hey, all of that. And make sure you do keep supporting the culture all 2020. Gang, hit it for me, can't stop. Hey, won't stop. Hey, dun. Hey, hit it done. Hey, hit it done. Hit it one more time. Dun. Yes. Make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you do keep supporting the culture all 2020. So, like I said, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I make my lip glosses today. I've honestly really been putting off this video, but I have to make these lip glosses because it's like pushing my productivity line back. You feel me? So, yeah, we're just going to, you know, just hop right into the video. Hop right into the lip gloss making. Okay, so, alright. Okay, so I've already washed my hands. Make sure y'all are starting with clean hands. This is like my little office space. I just really want to show y'all real quick how I make it. Make sure you're wearing gloves. So wash your hands first. Wash your hands first, because these gloves aren't like, you know, super protective. Your hands still need to be clean. Just because you got on gloves don't mean you should not be washing your hands. Wash your hands. Okay, so get up now. I tried to like position this camera in like an angle to where y'all can actually see inside, but I don't know. So I got me a bowl. I just honestly, I'm not really too picky about what I make this out of. So I just have me a glass bowl, and only reason I really just felt the need to use a glass bowl because I don't see the point of like using plastic bowls and you're just gonna keep throwing them away every time. Like that's I don't know, that's beyond me. So I got me a bowl and I got me a spoon. Okay, now my lip gloss business ain't big yet, so I don't really need to make a lot. Ooh, Virgil, stop playing with me. Get right there, girl. Okay, there we go. Oh, child, you don't be focusing on nobody. Stop looking at me. There we go, Virgil. Ah. Okay, so there we go. There we go. And then I'm gonna just, I have to make a couple of lip glosses because, well, okay, this is what I have to do. Let me tell y'all what's going on. I have to remake all my lip glosses because I'm trying to do this lip gloss photo shoot, and I already done sold out on like most of my lip glosses already. Yes, business is booming. The trap is jumping. Stop playing. Trap bad jumping. I don't want to hear it on. So, okay. Yeah, there we go. Get all your money out of there. There we go. Okay, so y'all see how thick the Virgil is? Just super thick. Okay, so what I like to do first is, what am I making? Okay, I'm making my big money. That's the one I'm making. That's what I'm gonna show y'all how I make that one. Okay, so what I like to do is just put my oils in. I don't really know if I should really be secretive about what type of oils I'm using, because honestly it doesn't, everybody use a different variety of oils. I ain't even gonna cap you. Everybody use different oils. Okay, and so what I like to do is I don't measure anything out. I kind of just go with the flow, because just like I said, I'm not like this big brand. I'm not like, I don't do like mass production on lip glosses, so it ain't no need for me. I just don't think it's necessary to measure anything out. Okay, I just keep adding. You don't want to add too much. Okay, so my gloss Big Money, let me just make sure I'm showing y'all what's going on here, because I don't know, I'm sorry, I couldn't like, I don't know how to position the camera to where like y'all could see inside the bowl, bro. So let me see, I don't know, maybe I could, there we go. Okay, so I look like a chemist. Okay, so the way I like my lip gloss is I like the lip gloss to I don't like my lip gloss sticky. So depending on how you like your lip gloss is how thick or like the viscosity of your lip gloss needs to be. So I just keep adding my oils in until I'm where I feel like I need to be with my lip gloss. I know a lot of people use what kind of oil they be using. They use coconut oil, but the reason I don't like coconut oil is because when coconut oil is hard, when it's cold, it gets hard. So I'm scared that if you put it inside of your lip gloss, I don't know, honestly, it just, that sounds real uneducated what I just said, because there's a lot of lip glosses and a lot of things that have coconut oil in it. So whatever. So yeah, since this is a clear gloss, I'm just adding the oil until it's the consistency that I want it to be. Call me if you really wanna get high. You ain't getting nowhere with the mother guys. So now I'm gonna go in with my glitters. Is this the one I opened? This is the one that's already open. Okay. So now I'm gonna go in with my glitters and I'm gonna start adding my glitters into it. I got these glitters off of Amazon. I think that's gonna need all that. That's gonna need all that. Well, one's done. Two's done. So I didn't know I had this behind me, but this is the one that I'm making right here. Like, I don't know if y'all can see this, but because they is playing with me right now. Stop playing around, whatever. It's just a little clear glitter gloss, okay? I got a little pink, a little silver in there. In order, if you want the gloss to, like, for the glitter to actually show up on the, if you want the glitter to actually show up on your lips, you need like a lot of glitter. You gotta put like a lot in there. Like, it'll show up, but the way I want it, I don't want it just like a little speck here, a little speck there, look like you done fell in some confetti and you forgot a couple pieces. I be wanting like the whole lip, like, baby, glitter me through. So, oh, this is so pretty already, but this is how it came out. Get that for y'all. And this is like how I like my gloss to be. I don't like it to be too runny, but I don't like it to be too thick, because the thicker it is, the stickier it'll be on your lips, and I don't like that little sticky feeling on there. So I'ma sell to people what I like, and what I like is class. I'ma sell you some class with a hint of ass. I'm just playing, stuff with y'all. But yeah, that's how I make one of my lip gloss called Big Money. Like I said, it is this. And just make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I will be showing you guys also how I fill my squeeze tubes as well. So dummy proof way to fill my squeeze tubes. So yeah, if you guys do like this video, make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. You already know. And make sure you do keep supporting the culture all 2020. Gang, gang, gang. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Like I said, subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. And if you haven't already, also make sure you do go check out my business Instagram page at Everything Glossy. Okay, no extra nothings in there, literally everything glossy, because that's how we're gonna keep it glossy, you feel me? So yeah, thank you guys for supporting, thank you guys for watching, thank you guys for being here with me. Thank you guys. Bye.